63. Christmas. One of the most loved prophecies of Christ's coming is Isaiah 9, 6 and 7. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. Of the increase of his government and peace there shall be no end. Jesus Christ is God incarnate. He is the blessed and only potentate, the King of kings and Lord of lords. 1 Timothy 6:15. Christmas is a celebration of God's invasion of history through his Son. We rejoice that, although the war is far from over, our King shall prevail, and that, in due time, all men and nations shall be brought into a joyful allegiance to him. Christmas is inescapably a time of victory and of joy to the world. The joy of his coming and progressive triumph should light up all our days. We are the people of victory because we are the people of the King. I once heard a child say, "I wish it were Christmas every week." The fact is, on every Lord's Day we celebrate his coming, his victory over sin and death, and the growth of his kingdom. Christmas, like Sundays, is a holiday or holy day. God's purpose is that all days, all of life, and all things shall be holy. Zechariah 14, 20 and 21. For, quote, of the increase of his government and peace there shall be no end. Therefore, rejoice.